Brian from briandemambro.com. This is a folding pocket style map in the original green publisher's boards with a gilt lettered title on the front board. It is a large folding lithographed battle plan of the Battle of Waterloo, led by Napoleon. And this plan of Waterloo is reduced from the large plan in 1816 by W.B. Craan, and this version here is an 1845 lithograph by Gerard, and it's got original hand color and an extensive, detailed key to the plan surrounding, well, coming down the left side and underneath it. It's well preserved. There's a long split along this fold line here. A couple other fold line splits have been very nicely and carefully repaired on the reverse with like a Japanese rice tissue paper. And so now the map presents well, it folds well into the folder, should be handled with care, but is a nice example of a scarce pocket map, and it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.